Have you ever experienced a sudden, sharp, stabbing pain right under your ribs or maybe lower down in your abdomen that is so intense it actually makes you catch your breath? Your stomach swells up like a drum. Your clothes suddenly feel 2 sizes too small. And no matter how you sit, stand, or stretch, the pressure just will not go away. Most people panic. They think it's a heart issue, an ulcer, or something requiring a trip to the emergency room. But 9 times out of 10, it is simply trapped gas. When you tell someone you have trapped gas, the advice you get is almost always the same. Go for a walk or take an over-the-counter antacid. But if you've ever actually suffered from severe trapped gas, you know that walking often does absolutely nothing. And antacids? They are designed to neutralize stomach acid, which has zero effect on gas trapped deep inside your intestines. If you want to deflate a bloated stomach and stop the pain fast, you do not need an antacid. Instead, you need to understand the mechanical reason why that air is stuck in the first place and how to trigger a very specific chemical reaction to force your intestinal walls to let it go. Today, we are looking at the actual clinical science of trapped gas, and I am going to show you how to combine 3 highly potent natural compounds into a simple, warm drink that can clear out trapped stomach gas in just a few minutes. But first, we need to completely rethink what trapped gas actually is. Imagine taking a long, skinny balloon, the kind clowns use to make balloon animals, and blowing it up. The air flows smoothly from one end to the other. Now imagine taking your hand, grabbing the middle of that balloon, and twisting it tightly. What happens? The air gets trapped on one side. It creates a high-pressure bubble that cannot escape, no matter how much you push on it. Your digestive tract works exactly the same way. Your intestines are not just a hollow, empty pipe. They are made up of something called smooth muscle. This muscle naturally expands and contracts in a rhythmic wave, pushing food, liquid, and air downwards. But sometimes your gastrointestinal tract gets irritated. It could be from something you ate, a spike in stress hormones, or eating too quickly. When this happens, a section of that smooth muscle literally spasms and clamps down. It twists. Just like that balloon, the gas building up behind that spasm cannot move up, and it cannot move down. As the bacteria in your gut continue to ferment your food, they produce even more gas. The pressure builds, stretching the intestinal wall to its absolute limit. That stretching is what causes that agonizing, stabbing pain. So, logically, if you want to get rid of the gas, you don't need to dissolve the air. You need to untwist the balloon. You need to force that smooth muscle to relax. In the medical world, drugs that stop muscle spasms are often called antispasmodics or calcium channel blockers. They work by blocking calcium from entering the muscle cells, which stops the muscle from contracting. But you don't need a prescription to get this effect. Nature has already engineered some of the most powerful calcium channel blockers on the planet, and they are likely sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now. To make the ultimate fast-acting gas relief drink, we are going to combine 3 specific ingredients. Each one targets a different part of your digestive tract. Ingredient number 1 is peppermint, but we aren't using peppermint for its flavor. We are using it for a highly volatile compound hidden inside its leaves called L-menthol. Clinical studies, especially those focusing on irritable bowel syndrome, have shown that L-menthol is an incredibly potent, smooth muscle relaxant. When menthol hits your stomach and upper intestines, it literally blocks the calcium channels in your intestinal walls. Within minutes, the clamped-down muscle releases. The twist in the balloon is undone, opening the pathway for the trapped air to finally move. Ingredient number 2 is ginger. Yes, ginger is famous for treating nausea, but its real superpower lies in compounds called gingerols and shoguls. While peppermint relaxes the spasming muscle, ginger acts as a prokinetic. Prokinetic is a medical term that means it speeds up gastric emptying. It signals your stomach to gently push its contents downward into the small intestine. Think of ginger as the traffic cop stepping in to get the cars moving again once the roadblock has been cleared. And finally, ingredient number 3 is fennel seeds. If you have ever been to a traditional Indian restaurant, you might have noticed a bowl of little green seeds at the exit. People chew them after heavy meals. This is an ancient practice, backed by modern science. Fennel contains an active compound called anethole. Anethole is a carminative, which means it specifically prevents the formation of gas in the gastrointestinal tract and helps expel the gas that is already there. When you combine menthol from peppermint, gingerols from ginger, and anethole from fennel, you create a biological master key. You relax the muscle, restart the digestive flow, and expel the trapped air. Here's exactly how you make this rapid relief drink, and the one major mistake you absolutely must avoid when preparing it. Take 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds, and 1 pure peppermint tea bag, or a handful of fresh bruised peppermint leaves. Place them in a mug and pour boiling water over them. Now this next step is critical. Do not just leave the mug sitting open on your counter. The compounds we are looking for, the menthol and the anethole, are highly volatile essential oils. That means they evaporate into the air extremely quickly when exposed to heat. If you can smell the strong peppermint and fennel aroma filling your kitchen, that means the medicine is escaping into the air instead of staying in your drink. Immediately cover the mug with a small plate or a lid. Let it steep completely trapped for at least 7 to 10 minutes. When you remove the lid, you will notice condensation dripping from the bottom of the plate. That liquid is packed with the extracted active oils. Tap it back into your mug. Drink this warm, not scalding hot, but warm. The heat itself also acts as a vasodilator, bringing fresh blood flow to your digestive tract to aid in the relaxation process. For most people, within 5 to 15 minutes, the trapped gas will begin to shift. The pressure will drop, and the stabbing pain will fade. Now, fixing the pain in 5 minutes is great, but we need to look at the bigger picture. Why are you getting trapped gas in the first place? Especially if you are over the age of 50. If you are constantly bloated, your body is trying to send you a warning signal. You see, gas is not something you just swallow. The vast majority of the gas in your body is created by the trillions of bacteria living in your gut. When these bacteria eat, they ferment your food, producing hydrogen, methane, and carbon dioxide as waste products. By utilizing the calcium channel blocking power of peppermint, the prokinetic drive of ginger, and the gas-expelling nature of fennel, you have a biological toolkit to fix the immediate problem. If you appreciate this kind of deep dive, no-nonsense approach to human biology, dropping a quick like on the video goes a long way. It tells the algorithm to share this science with others who might be struggling. Have you tried ginger or fennel for digestion before? Or do you find certain foods always trigger extreme bloating for you? Drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks for taking the time to understand your cellular health today. Remember, the biggest changes in how we age don't come from massive overhauls. They come from the small daily choices we make in our own kitchens. I'll see you in the next video.